What are the best schools in Oakville, Ontario, and where are they located? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 25 elementary schools and the top 10 high schools in Oakville, Ontario, not based on the current Fraser Institute rankings, but rather instead on the historical data for the last 10 test scores that all these schools have produced. As if you don't know, the Fraser Institute takes the Ontario standardized tests of grade 3, 6, and 9 and puts it in an index out of 10. And anything above a 6 is considered above the provincial average. Now, with that said, these schools' test scores can vary widely year over year, as some of the top schools that are currently in Oakville's top 10 based on the Fraser academics performance in the most recent test results didn't even make our cut for the top 25 list. So if you want to learn where are the best schools in Oakville, Ontario, this video is for you. Now, in total, no matter where you're going to be living in Oakville, you're going to be finding some fantastic schools, as in total, there's 47 different elementary schools in Oakville, of which 42 were rated above the provincial average. And then you'll also find 11 different high schools in Oakville, of which all of them were rated above the provincial average. So if you're new here and want to learn everything about what it's like living in Oakville, Burlington, and the surrounding cities, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My name is Matthew, the founding realtor of the Living in Hamilton channel and team, and we've been helping people just like yourselves relocate here. So if you're thinking about buying a home, whether it's in 60 days or in 6 months, send me and my team a message today. Otherwise, let's just jump on into it and give you the lay of the land of the top 25 elementary schools in Oakville, Ontario, based on the average of the last 5 test results from the Fraser Institute. So kicking us off at the 25th place high school, we have a tie, and that is Our Lady of Peace Catholic School, as well as Eastview Public School, both with an average ranking of 7.38. Then we have another tie for 24th place with St. Dominic's Catholic School, as well as St. Bernadette's Catholic School, both with a ranking of 7.48. And as you can see, both of these already are always ranking above the provincial average. Then in 23rd place, we have St. Mary's Catholic School with an average ranking of 7.56, with its highest score yet to date in 2023. Then in 22nd place, we have the Patricia Pinnacle Public School with an average ranking of 7.6, with an amazing score of 9.6 in the most recent rankings. Then in 21st place, you'll find the Captain R. Wilson's Public School with an average rating of 7.68. Then in 20th place in Oakville, you're going to find the Heritage Glen Public Elementary School with an average ranking of 7.86, with a bunch of 8s in the most recent rankings for this school. Then in 19th place, we will find Post Corners Public Elementary School with an average ranking of 7.88. Then in 18th place, you'll find the Mother Teresa's Catholic Elementary School with an average ranking of 7.9. Then in 17th place, you'll find the West Oaks Public Elementary School with an average ranking of 7.94. Then in 16th place, we will find the Pine Groves Public Elementary School with an average ranking of 7.98. And as you can see, posted some great scores back in 2022, a little dip in 2023, but still well above the provincial average. And then in 15th place, you'll find St. Margaret du Youvel Catholic Elementary School with an average rating of 8.02. Now, to give you some perspective of how great that score is, if you're in the 8s or above for an Ontario school, you're in the top 300 schools in the entire province. So the next schools that we're going to be discussing are absolutely the cream of the crop, not just for Oakville, but for Ontario in general. And that brings me on to the next school, which is in 14th place, and is James W. Hill Public Elementary School with an average rating of 8.06. Then in 13th place, we'll find Uriwani Public Elementary School with an average rating of 8.08. Then in 12th place, you'll find St. Andrew's Catholic Elementary School with an average rating of 8.12, posting its best score yet in 2023 at 8.5. Then in 11th place is one of the newest schools on the list here, and that is Dr. David R. Williams public elementary school with an average rating of 8.2. Then as for the top 10 elementary schools based on the historical data in Oakville, our first one is the New Central Public Elementary School with an average rating of 8.22. And as you can see, historically it is always rated above an 8. Then in ninth place, we have Duchesnay Public Elementary School with an average rating of 8.34. Then in eighth place, we have the W.H. Morden Public Elementary School with an average rating of 8.4. Then we have a two-way tie for seventh place, and that is St. Luke's Catholic Elementary School as well as the Sunningdale Public Elementary School, both rated at 8.54. Then in sixth place, we'll have Pilgrims Wood Public Elementary School with an average rating of 8.74. And as you can see in the most recent rankings are well above a 9. And if you're in a 9 on the index score in the Fraser Institute, you're in the top 100 elementary schools in all of Ontario. Then in fifth place, we have Joshua Creek Public Elementary School with an average rating of 8.76. Then in fourth place, you will find St. Matthew's Catholic Elementary School with an average rating of 8.78. Now, before we get to the top 3 elementary schools in Oakville, Ontario, if you want to learn what the catchment maps are for these schools or just the best neighborhood to raise a family in Oakville, send me and my teammate a message today. We'd be happy to help you out. But now, for the top 3 elementary schools in Oakville, Ontario, in third place is E.J. James Public Elementary School with an average rating of 8.92. And then in second place, you'll find the Munns Public Elementary School with an average rating of 8.96. And as you can see, posted a huge score of 9.9 back in 2022. And then the number 1 rated elementary school in Oakville, Ontario, based on the historical data average, is the Forest Trail Public School with an average rating of 9.26. And as you can see, in 2023, posted in a very impressive score, a 10 out of 10 on the Fraser Institute Index. So there you have it. Those were the top 25 elementary schools you're going to be finding in Oakville, Ontario, based on the Fraser Institute's historical data. Now let's take a look and view the top 10 high schools you're going to be finding in Oakville, Ontario. And in 10th place was the St. Thomas Aquinas Catholic High School with an average rating of 7.34, with its highest ranking yet at 8.1 posted in 2023. Then in 9th place, we'll find St. Trinite Catholic High School with an average rating of 7.7 and an impressive score of 8.2 in the 2023's most recent rankings. Then in 8th place, you'll find the Thomas A. Blaycock Public High School with an average rating of 7.8. Then in 7th place, we'll find St. Ignatius of Loyola Catholic High School with an average rating of 7.96. Then a school that had a very similar rating was in our 6th place school, and this was Gaietine Jarvis Public High School with an average rating of 7.98. Then in 5th place, we have the White Oaks Public High School with an average rating of 8.32. Now, to give you some perspective on this index here, if you're anything above an 8.3, essentially, you're in the top 50 high schools within Ontario, and every single high school that we're discussing on this list here is already in the top 100 high schools in Ontario. So again, no matter what high school you choose, you're gonna be finding a fantastic school for your kids. But with that said, in 4th place, the next school was Garth Webb Public High School with an average rating of 8.5 with a strong rating of 8.8 in its most recent rankings. Then in 3rd place, we're going to find Abbey Park Public High School with its average rating being 8.76. Then in 2nd place, you're going to find Iroquois Ridge Public High School with an average rating of 8.86 with its most recent score being 9.2, which, to put in perspective, ranks in the top 12 high schools throughout Ontario. Then the number 1 rated high school in Oakville, Ontario, based on the past historic data on the Fraser Institute, was the Oakville Trafalgar Public High School with an average rating of 9.02 and is in the top 10 high schools you're going to be finding throughout Ontario. So now you should have a better idea of where are the top elementary schools and the top high schools in Oakville, Ontario. If you want to learn more about what it's like living in Oakville, the next video I'd recommend you go check out is my video breaking down all the pros and cons you need to know about before moving to this city. So you can find that video off to the side right here. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day.